everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieve the look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Turn on your post notifications so that you never ever miss a video. And if you're located in the United States, then comment done down below. So as an eyeshadow primer, I used my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I just applied that all over my eyelid, and then I blended it out with a damp beauty sponge, and then I set it in place with translucent powder. The eyeshadow palette that I went in with is the Alyssa Edwards Anastasia Beverly Hills collab palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. First, I went in with the shades Ho and Unicorn Tribe, and I just kind of mixed these two shades together to get a really cool purple type of shade. And this is what it looks like once I applied it to my lid, and I just applied it with a big fluffy brush as my transition shade, just going in back and forth motions and circular motions. And you don't have to be too precise because that's just going to be the background shade before we go in with some deeper eyeshadows. The next shade that I went in with is the shade Believe, which is this deeper matte purple eyeshadow, and I picked it up with a defined angled brush, starting to map out the shape that I want in my crease. And I like going in with a defined angled brush, especially when I'm working with such bright colors, because it just has really precise placement, and then I go in with a fluffier brush afterwards to blend it out. And I went in with those two shades that we used as our transition shades. And then I decided to clean up the lid, so I just grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I just packed that all over my lid. And you could definitely skip this step, but I feel like when you're working with such a bright look, it just really brightens up the lid and cleans up the look to make it a lot more sharp. And then I went in with the shade Believe again, and I just packed that all over the outer corner of my lid. And of course I went ahead and set that lid with some translucent powder before I did this, so that it didn't crease. And for the lid, I went in with my Disney Villains collection from Colourpop in the shade Just Your Voice. And this is what it looks like. It's a really beautiful blue metallic shade. And I just packed that all over the lid, and I feel like it applied best when I used my finger because it just made the pigment a lot warmer and it picked up more pigment and made it appear more vibrant on the eye. So that's just a tip. And for lashes, I went in with our Sophie Bella lashes in the style Bahama. I will always leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our lash brand. And I appreciate every single one of you guys that have placed an order on our website. You guys make it possible for us to do this as a career. And then I went in with those two transition shades that I used, and I just put that on my lower lash line, going from inner corner to outer corner. And then I went in with that deeper matte purple shade, and I focused that shade really close to my lash line. And then the last thing that I did was I applied those first transition shades once again to the lower lash line, just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. And lastly, I just applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye!